Hello, good morning. My name is Norena Cardona Mocali, 43 years old, from Burungutan, UP, Maguindanao Province, currently living in 307 Sampaloc Street, Sembo, Makati, Philippines. I am married but separated for 19 years. I have 4 children, 1 girl, 3 boys, ages 23, 22, 21, and 18 years old. I have no boyfriend or live-in partner. I graduate high school. My religion is Bible Baptist. I have a work experience in Saudi since 2005 until 2011 in one employer with 4 family members, mother and 3 children. Ages 86, 52, 45, and 42 years old, and they are all working. The house size is 4 stories. In the first floor, there's a 2 guest room, 1 children's room, 1 living room, 1 dining room, kitchen, and 4 toilets. In the second floor, there's a 7 master bedroom with toilets, 1 living room, include maid's room. In the third floor, there's a 4 guest room, 4 toilets, and 1 living room. In the fourth floor, there's a garden, cage for the lovebird and dove. Also, there's a place for barbecue party. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning, cooking, washing, ironing. And also, I have an experience in Kuwait since 2013 until 2018. In one family with 5 family members, mother, twins, 2 sons, ages 45 years old, 13 years old, 9 years old, and 7 years old. We work with another maid. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, washing, and sometimes we help each other. The other maid's duties are looking after the kids, sending for school activities, and bringing the kids to the playground. And also, we help each other for the household chores. My employer is separated and always not in-house. And I have also experience in Hong Kong for 4 years with 2 employers. I started working in Hong Kong since 2019 until 2021 in one family, 4 family members, father, mother, sons, ages 56 years old, 45 years old, 18 years old, and 5 years old. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, marketing, also sending the kids to school and picking up the kid from school, preparing food for the kids, and bringing to school activities like piano, swimming, taekwondo, ukulele. And the next employer, I started 2021 until 2023 with 4 family members, mother, father, and 2 children, ages 72 years old, 86 years old, 40 years old, and 38 years old, and they are all working. The house size is 4 stories. In the first floor, there's a storage and shoes cabinet. In the second floor, there's a dining room, living room, kitchen, and maid's room. In the third floor, there's a 4 master bedroom, 4 toilets, 4 dressing room. In the fourth floor, there's a garden and barbecue place. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, and marketing, also wash car. And that's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.